This exercise is going to be for your psoas muscle. It is a hip flexor muscle, attaches on your low back, and runs all the way to the top of your thigh bone. So that's going to be the muscle that we're focusing on. Our starting position is going to be with a turned out leg and pulled out from the midline about 30 degrees. We are going to contract this muscle here, squeeze this muscle together. It's going to lift the top of your thigh bone, and that's going to rotate your pelvis forward. You might feel a little bit of rotation. With the foot turned out and the leg 30 degrees from the midline, we're going to contract the psoas here. Again, it attaches from the low back to the top of the thigh bone. And you're going to squeeze, 2, 3, hold it there, 2, 3, and you might feel a little rotation forward in your pelvis as you do it. And release, 2, 3. Without lifting the leg, we are going to contract the psoas muscle here. So over a 3 count, as you let out the air in your lungs, you're going to squeeze, 2, 3, hold it there, 2, 3, and release, 2, 3. Pulling the top of the thigh bone in towards the spine. So as you let the air out, we're going to squeeze up, 2, 3, hold it there, 2, 3, and release, 2, 3. Should feel that contraction right here near your groin. You want to make sure that you're not feeling any rotation or tweaking in your low back, but just contraction coming from right here. And if it helps, you can actually lengthen the leg just to focus on that psoas muscle there.